back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Today, I would like to take you through a step-by-step strategies on how to truly make money. What if I told you that the key to making money and striving in life is not any secret key as we've known? Follow me through while I disclose unto you the three key strategies on how to truly make money and strive in life. Then you'll be able to live the life that you want. Let's dive in. The first step to how to truly make money right now is find a problem to solve. Success starts from finding a problem to solve. Look around you, see what challenges people are facing. Then ask yourself a question: can I create a solution? After that, you see into what you can do to make life more easier, better, and more enjoyable. When you create a solution by finding a problem, you are not just providing goods or services, you are providing value, you are making impact, and you are changing life. So the next time when you are thinking of how to make money, do not look too far. Look to the problem and challenges people around you are facing, then offer the solution. Once again, find this problem and be the solution. The next step, which is the second key to truly make money right now, is by looking within. Looking within is all about understanding your passion, your strength, and your unique skills. It's all about looking into what makes you and bringing out something valuable out of it. Are you looking within? You will be able to offer value which only you can provide. And note this: when you look within and you start offering value and providing solution to problems around you, you are not just chasing money, you are creating it. Instead of looking around for your next big and great ideas, start looking within. Your next great idea, your next great source of income lies within, awaiting to be discovered. The journey to wealth starts with self-discovery. All you just need to do is look within. There are strengths, there are ability, there are unique skills that it is only allocated onto you, which you need to survive. And there is a general saying that a man's gift make a way for you. Look within and you will be able to explore your next great source of idea and income. The third and the final step on how to start making money right now is look around. Looking around is all about seeing into the needs that already exist. Look around your home. All those old gadgets can be the source of income for your next business. A lot of abandoned instruments around you can be your next source of great idea in order to start up that dreams and their great businesses which you have been wishing of. Likewise, look around you. A lot of small businesses, they need your attentions in form of content creation, social media management, and even much more. So all you just need to do is to start by reaching out, find your skills, and solve their problem. I want you to notice that making money is not all about creating or inventing something new, but it's all about seeing into what already exists and taking action. Note that opportunities are everywhere, you just have to see them. I would like to summarize that the best way to start making money right now is to find a problem to solve. There are challenges people are truly facing. Dangote is solving a problem. That's why it can never be poor. Otedola is solving a problem. That is why it can never be poor. All those mama and everyone around you selling snacks, offering value, either online or on site, they are solving a problem. The next one is that you have to look within, see into all your passion, your innate ability, your unique skills, and from there, offer the value, be creative, and try and invent new things. Finally, as I've just said, is to look around. Opportunities are everywhere. You just have to see them. and I hope to see you on the next video. If you have not liked this video, like it and subscribe.